Alright, so we're going to show you how to do the clear RAM of basically of the whole labeler. When you do a clear RAM, you will go under service.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
Then you'll go under software. You'll see this option where it says clear RAM content. Now, you only want to do this if, say, your printer got like messed up by an operator and you don't know what's going on and you can't get it to work. You can clear the RAM. Most of the time you can load a line back up and that'll fix the problem anyway, but we will hit the clear RAM content, and then you'll have to enter in the password of the machine for the service password. And then it will tell you all settings will be deleted, really delete. And you're going to select yes. Now it's very important, if you do this, it will clear everything out of that labeler and you have to start over. So go ahead and hit OK. Now it'll clear everything out of that labeler when it comes up. All the information will be gone. To get your machine back up and going again, you can watch the video, or if you know how, you can load your memory card and you will be up and running again.